Good morning everyone. My name is Feby Judi Bendera Prakasa. My name 64242346. My class 6411G05. The recent match between Indonesia and Bahrain was an exciting display of skill and determination. Indonesia showed great effort and resilience, but Bahrain experience and the tactical strength proved changing. Though the result was what we hope for, every match is a valuable lesson. This game highlight area where we can improve, but it also shows the potential of our team. Football is about growth and learning, and our national team is on the right path. Let's continue to support them and stay proud of their dedication. Thank you. Hello, my name is Febri Dubentara Prakasa. My name 64242346. My class 64.1G.05. Okay, next slide. What is mean by simple present tense? Simple present tense is a tense form that is used to express events that occur regularly, routinely, or are usually done in the present. Okay, next slide. When is the present tense used? The present tense is used when someone wants to express an event or general fact that is happening at the moment. In addition, the simple present tense is also used in the conditional sentence type 0 and conditional sentence type 1 sentence patterns, which are followed by the simple future tense. Okay, next slide. Simple present tense formula. In general, the simple present tense formula is subject plus verb 1 s or s plus complement for positive sentence with a verbal pattern. If the pattern is nominal, then the present tense formula becomes subject plus auxiliary verb to be plus complement. Okay, next slide. Nominal simple present tense. Positive, I am an international school student. I am a student. Negative, she is not an international school student. She is not an international school student. Interrogative, is she an international school student? Is she a student? Okay, next slide. Verbal simple present tense. Positive, subject plus verb 1 plus s or s plus complement. Negative, subject do or does not plus verb 1 plus complement. Interrogative, do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement. According to the previous discussion in verbal sentence, you don't need to be after the subject, because the verb is the task of being the predicate. Okay, next slide. Positive or affirmative simple present tense. I live in Jakarta, atau dalam bahasa Indonesianya saya tinggal di Jakarta. Dua, he lives in Jakarta, atau dalam bahasa Indonesianya dia tinggal di Jakarta. Oke, next slide. Negative simple present tense, especially for negative sentence and interrogative sentence. You use do or does or do not, don't and does not, doesn't form essay. For example, I don't live in Bandung, atau dalam bahasa Indonesianya saya tidak tinggal di Bandung. She don't live in Bandung, atau dalam bahasa Indonesianya dia tidak tinggal di Bandung. Oke, next slide. Simple present question interrogative. In the question sentence pattern, it is separated into two parts, namely yes or no question. Do I work, atau dalam bahasa Indonesianya apakah saya bekerja. Kedua, does he work, apakah dia, atau dalam bahasa Indonesianya apakah dia bekerja. Oke, next slide. According to the name of the type, namely yes or no question. So you only need to answer the question above with yes, I do, atau dalam bahasa Indonesianya iya, saya bekerja. Yang kedua, yes, he does, atau dalam bahasa Indonesianya iya, dia bekerja. Oke, next slide. What are some example of simple present tense? Positive sentence. 1. She wants to be a doctor. 2. Chose eat grass. 3. They speak English at office. 4. He likes banana. 5. They play basketball every morning. Okay, next slide. Negative sentence. 1. They don't have any money. 2. Lala doesn't see Peter in the class. 3. My best friend doesn't love you. 4. You don't listen to me. 5. California is not in United Kingdom. Okay, next slide. Interrogative sentence, interrogative sentence or question sentence. 1. Do they talk a lot? 2. Does he play tennis? 3. Does your father drink coffee? 4. Where does she lunch? 5. Does he ride the motorcycle? Okay, next slide. Time information in simple present tense. Selalu, atau dalam bahasa Inggrisnya always, jarang, atau dalam bahasa Inggrisnya seldom or rarely, sering, atau dalam bahasa Inggrisnya often, kadang-kadang, atau dalam bahasa Inggrisnya sometimes, biasanya, atau dalam bahasa Inggrisnya usually, habitually, normally, generally. Okay, next slide. What are the characteristics of simple present tense sentence? She doesn't eat meat. Does not. Kata bantu dalam bentuk negatif untuk subjek si. Do you like coklat? Do. Kata bantu untuk pertanyaan dengan subjek you. Okay, next slide. In the present tense, there are usually adverbs of time such as always, usually, often, seldom, rarely, never, every day, week, month, year. Example, I always drink coffee in the morning. Okay, next slide. Habitual or daily activities. If you heard the word habit, surely you can immediately guess its meaning Asleep. The simple present tense also function to show daily habits or activities, aka activities or schedule that you're repeatedly. Example, we go to school by bus every morning. Atau dalam bahasa Indonesianya, kita pergi ke sekolah menggunakan bus setiap hari. Oke, next slide. Express feeling and emotion. Are you sad? Or maybe you are thinking about something? Don't hesitate. You can express it through simple present tense sentence. Example sentence. Feeling. I am sad to hear your bad news. Atau dalam bahasa Indonesianya, aku sedih mendengar berita buruk darimu. Emotion. I always thankful because have a great best friend. Atau dalam bahasa Indonesianya, aku selalu bersyukur karena memiliki sahabat yang baik. Oke, next slide. The schedule even in the near future of familiar with future condition. Atau dalam bahasa Indonesianya, membahas acara dalam waktu dekat. What is mean by this function is that the simple present tense is also used to discuss activities or events that are scheduled in the near future. In addition, this tense is usually used to discuss transportation schedules. For example, the train departs at 8 a.m. Atau dalam bahasa Indonesianya, kereta akan berangkat pukul 8 pagi. Oke, last slide. Yes, that's all the explanation from me about the simple present tense. If there are any wrong words, I apologize. I beg your life. Thank you.